Hey guys, Sorin here. So we've just talked about input lag, but please keep in mind that input lag does not equal response time. So what does response time measure? Response time measures the time it takes for a pixel on your monitor to go from white to black to white, or from gray to gray, opposed to input lag that measures the whole signal traveling and the image processing part of the equation. Both of these metrics are present in our monitors and our displays and even in our TVs. So that means that you can just look for the quickest refresh rate. That just means you can just look for the quickest response time and think that everything's okay. Sure, a high-end model with 2 milliseconds response time probably has a pretty good input lag time also, but don't count on it, as manufacturers do not present the actual input lag of their display in the product datasheet. Watch for a review. Search on Google. Somebody probably made a review of that monitor. And now you know how to choose a proper gaming monitor by watching for the input lag on our previous video and for the response time according to this video. A good value to aim, in my opinion, is at maximum of 5 or 6 milliseconds. But that's just me, I'm not a competitive gamer. But for multimedia, I think just don't go over 6 milliseconds. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Show, give this video a like, and tell me what other short videos like this would you like to see in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.